off the plane. What's going on? She's trying to open the door. She tried to open this door. She said that please off the door. This is not normal. Please off the door. My boyfriend is a felon. I thank him about you. Can you please off the plane? No, stop.
Hey,
Relax. Please, talk to me.
Can we just please have everyone sit down?
My boyfriend is a pilot. Okay. I sent a voice note about the sound. He said, please stop, open the door.
No, it's an Airbus, sweetie. It's an Airbus. It happens all the time. Positive.
You're flying this plane for 4 years. She's calling. It happens every time. I'm sorry, I'm scared.
Can we? Yeah. We're gonna stop. You okay?
I'm sorry.
What's wrong?